Hey YouTube, got another little tidbit of info on the CCI Black Box. I did a little video showing they work in a semi-automatic. It's a standard velocity, but a buddy pointed out to me, I didn't even pay any attention, that it's come on, focus. Anyhow, 1,070 feet per second. I don't have a suppressor. He's thinking about getting one, and that's why he was looking and it caught his eye. Is to be subsonic, it needs to be below about 1130, 1140. So you know, like 1100, you're good. Depending on your elevation, blah blah blah. So this is advertising less than 1100 feet per second. So should be subsonic. So I'm going to reposition my camera. I got my chronograph set up. I'm going to fire a few shots, do like a string of 5 in a rifle, a string of 5 in the pistol, and see what the average velocity is. Okay, first I'm going to shoot it with a 1022. Alright, I had to go back and look, but it looked like the highest was around 1030. So, and that was straight out of the 1022, and now that I'm listening to it, I don't hear that sonic crack. It's not there. It's quieter ammo even with a gun that's non-compensated or non-suppressed. Alright. Next, Ruger Mark II. It's a little louder just from the short barrel. Well, there you go. So, for any of you guys that have suppressors or was thinking about getting one, that Walmart CCI that was just on sale past weekend, you ended up with subsonic ammunition at a really good price. Subsonic's usually $7, $8, $9 a 50. That was $7.47 a 100. So I don't know if it showed up. Just in case. That was the last shot with my pistol, the Ruger Mark II. Coming in 947.50. Well below subsonic. So, or sonic, excuse me. I did have somebody comment that they didn't think they either had a problem or they was worried about the short action of like the new fad. I shouldn't say fad, but the new little 22 pistols, little Rugers, and just Walthers especially, because a lot of them come with threaded barrels and people are getting suppressors for them. I would imagine it would work the slide on those. They may not be good at subsonic anyway. I don't know, because if there's any lower velocity than that, I don't think it would work anyway. So anyway, just another little in case you didn't know, CCI Black Box is subsonic and will work in a semi-auto. Later, YouTube.